You know that feeling. You spend hours writing a blog post for your Shopify store, you pour your heart into it, hit publish, and crickets. 0 views, 0 sales. It's beyond frustrating, and you start to think, is blogging just a giant waste of time? Well, what if I told you the blog isn't the problem? Your approach is. Oh, what if there was a simple framework that could turn that digital ghost town into a machine that brings in customers day and night? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use some smart, practical SEO and powerful AI tools to get a flood of organic traffic that actually wants to buy your stuff. We're not talking about complicated theories. This is a step-by-step game plan you can start using today. For years, the advice has been to just create great content. What does that even mean? It's vague, it's unhelpful, and it's why so many store owners throw in the towel. Here's the truth. In 2025, success isn't about writing more. It's about writing smarter. And the smartest way to do that is by combining your human brain with the insane power of artificial intelligence. The framework we're about to walk through boils down to 4 simple, actionable steps. This is the system that takes all the guesswork out of blogging. It's designed to attract people who aren't just window shopping, they're ready to pull out their wallets. We're going to cover finding the right topics, creating the perfect post, optimizing it inside Shopify, and then giving it that first little nudge to get Google's attention. Let's jump into step 1. Before you type a single word, you have to know what your customers are actually searching for. This is the foundation for everything. Writing a blog post without keyword research is like building a gorgeous store with no doors. No one's getting in. In 2025, we're going beyond basic keyword research. We're laser-focused on high-intent keywords. These are the exact phrases people type into Google when they're close to buying something or are actively looking for a solution your product offers. So, how do you find them? This used to be a super tedious process with spreadsheets and pricey tools. Not anymore. Now we can let AI do the heavy lifting. Tools like Surfer AI or even the advanced models in ChatGPT can become your personal research assistant. Instead of guessing, you give the AI a simple prompt. For example, if you sell organic handmade soaps, you could ask, I sell organic soaps. What problems or questions does my target audience have? Give me blog topic ideas for people actively looking to buy natural skincare. The AI will spit out gold like, best organic soap for sensitive acne-prone skin. Are sulfate-free soaps actually better for your hair and skin? DIY gift basket ideas using handmade soaps. See the difference? These aren't just generic topics, they're specific problems. Someone searching for the best organic soap for sensitive skin has a mission. They have a problem and they're looking for a product to solve it. Your blog post becomes the solution and your product becomes the hero. Your goal here is to get a list of 5, 10 of these high-intent ideas. Don't chase huge search numbers, chase the intent behind the words. Go for those conversational, long-tail keywords, the kinds of questions people ask a friend or say to their phone. This one shift in focus is the first key to unlocking traffic that actually converts. Okay, you've got your high-intent topic, time to write. This is where that dreaded blank page paralysis kicks in for so many people. But with an AI writing assistant, you can get a solid first draft done in minutes, not hours. For this, you can use a powerful AI writer like Jasper AI or Copy.ai. Even Shopify's own tool, Shopify Magic, can help generate ideas and text to get you started. The key here is to use these tools as a partner, an incredibly fast intern, not as a replacement for your own expertise. Here's the process. First, feed your high-intent keyword to the AI and ask for a blog post outline. For our example, best organic soap for sensitive acne-prone skin, the AI will create a logical structure. Introduction: the problem with harsh chemical-based soaps. What to look for in a soap for sensitive skin. Ingredients to avoid. Our top 3 soaps for sensitive skin. How to build a daily skincare routine. Conclusion: that outline is your roadmap. It makes sure your post is genuinely helpful. Then you can have the AI write each section. As it generates the text, your job is to be the editor-in-chief. You need to inject your brand's voice, your personal stories, and your expertise. AI brings the speed, but you bring the soul. Add your own photos, maybe a customer testimonial. That's what builds trust. A killer strategy here is creating content clusters. Think of your main topic as the hub of a wheel, like the ultimate guide to natural skincare. Then, All your specific posts, like our one on soap for sensitive skin, are the spokes that link back to that main guide. This tells Google you're an authority, which can seriously boost your rankings. By the end of this step, you'll have a well-structured, helpful, and keyword-rich post that's ready for prime time. You've got an amazing blog post. Now we just need to make sure it's set up correctly inside Shopify so Google knows what's up. This is on-page SEO, and it's way less technical than it sounds. It's mostly just putting the right words in the right boxes. There are 4 key areas to dial in for every post. First up, the page title and meta description. This is what people see in the Google search results. In your Shopify admin, at the bottom of the blog post editor, you'll see Search Engine Listing Preview. Click Edit Website SEO. Your page title should be about 60 characters and must have your main keyword. Make it catchy, like Find the Best Organic Soap for Sensitive Skin 2025 Guide. Your meta description is your 150-character ad for the post. Summarize the value and add a little nudge, like tired of irritation, discover the gentle, natural ingredients that can transform your skin. Read our guide. Second, your headings, H1, H2 tag. Your blog post title is your H1 sound, the big boss. The section titles from your outline, make those H2S. This creates a clean structure that search engines love. Third, image alt text. Every single image needs descriptive alt text. This is huge for accessibility and tells Google what your images are about. Instead of img_1234.jpg, name it handmade-oatmeal-soap.jpg and set the alt text to a bar of handmade oatmeal organic soap on a white wooden dish. It's a tiny detail with a huge SEO payoff. Finally, internal linking. This is so important and so easy. As you write, link to other relevant pages on your site. When you mention your oatmeal soap, link to that product page. When you mention your ultimate guide, link to that pillar post. This keeps people on your site longer and shows Google that your store is a hub of valuable, interconnected information. Taking a few extra minutes on these steps is the difference between a post that gets seen and one that gets buried. You did it, you hit publish. High five, but don't close your laptop just yet. While our SEO work is for the long game, we need to give our post a little push to get the ball rolling. First, email your list. Your subscribers are your ride or dies. Send them an email about the helpful new guide you just published. Frame it as free value, not just a sales pitch. This drives immediate, high-quality traffic, which Google sees as a very good sign. Second, get social. Share your post on all your social channels, but don't just drop a link and run. Create content about the content. For Instagram or TikTok, make a quick video with the top 3 tips from the article. For Pinterest, design a few beautiful pins that link back. Treat each platform like a different doorway to your blog. Third, consider retargeting ads. For your most important product-focused posts, a small targeted ad campaign can work wonders. You can run a low-cost ad on Facebook or Instagram that shows your blog post to people who already visited your site but didn't buy. It's a gentle, value-packed way to bring warm leads back into your world. This initial promotion doesn't have to be a huge effort, but it's a critical step to get that early momentum, which can seriously speed up how fast you start to rank. So what happens when you follow this system? Think about that soap seller. Before, they were writing random posts like our company history and getting nothing. Now they've published best organic soap for sensitive acne-prone skin. Within a few weeks, Google takes notice. People searching for that exact problem find the article. They read the helpful advice, feel understood, and click the links to the products. They trust the store because it didn't just shove a product in their face, it solved their problem. The blog transforms from a chore into a reliable 24/7 salesperson that brings in qualified leads every single day, which means less money spent on expensive ads. That's the power of smart blogging. All right, let's recap the 4-step framework real quick. Find high-intent keywords. Use AI to figure out what customers are really searching for. Craft the perfect post. Use an AI assistant to build the skeleton, then add your human soul and expertise. Optimize in Shopify. Nail your on-page SEO with the right titles, descriptions, headings, and internal links. Promote your content. Kickstart traffic with email and social media to get the party started. Stop wasting your precious time on blog posts that go nowhere. In 2025, the combination of a smart strategy and incredible AI tools makes this more achievable than ever. You have everything you need to turn your Shopify blog into your store's most powerful marketing machine. If you got value from this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I drop new actionable videos every single week. And now, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me the single biggest thing you struggle with when it comes to your blog. I'll be in there answering as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.